Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Zara Store Locator and Pickup. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to find the store locator inside the Zara app and how to view pickup-related information once you're there. By the end, you'll know the quickest path to check nearby stores, see key details like opening hours, and understand where in the app pickup options are indicated. First, open the Zara app on your phone. Give it a moment to load on a stable internet connection. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to make sure the app is updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. You don't always need to be signed in just to view store information, but being logged in can help the app remember your preferences and region. If you're prompted to allow location access, granting permission helps the locator show the most relevant stores near you. Next, tap on Account at the bottom of the screen. On most devices, you'll find a row of icons along the bottom bar. An account is usually labeled or represented by a profile icon. If you don't immediately see it, look for the navigation bar at the bottom and check for the profile section there. App layouts can vary slightly by region or after updates, but the account area consistently houses your profile settings and store-related tools. From the account section, tap on Store. This is the dedicated space for store information and the starting point for in-person services. Once you're in the store area, you'll typically see nearby Zara locations, along with useful details like addresses, opening hours, and distance. This is also where the app indicates whether a location offers in-store pickup and other services that support shopping online and collecting items at a physical store. Depending on your region and the most recent app design, you may see a map view, a list view, or both. You might also notice options that help you understand stock availability or typical pickup timeframes. Keep in mind that availability can vary by item and location, and store hours may differ during holidays or special events. If you're not seeing nearby results, it usually means location services are off or the app can't determine your area. Enabling location on your device generally improves accuracy. You may also notice search and map tools that let you explore different neighborhoods or cities, which can be handy if you're planning a pickup in another area. That's it. Open the Zara app, go to Account, and then Store. With those three simple steps, you can quickly find stores, review hours and services, and confirm where pickup is supported so you can shop with confidence.